Delta Executor on PC is officially working again. You can now install Delta Executor on PC again with the official 2026 update. And today, I'll show you the newest working method for both Windows and Mac. Delta has been updated. The setup is easier now, and this version is working much better than older methods. So if you want the latest Delta Executor PC tutorial without outdated steps or broken files, watch this video carefully because I'll show you everything step by step. Let's start immediately. First, you need to download Delta Executor from their official Discord server. This is the official community where Delta usually posts their newest updates, announcements, and latest working download links. Once you join the server, look for the download section or official update channel. Make sure you are downloading the latest official build because older versions may be outdated or no longer supported. Once Delta Executor has finished downloading, the next step is to install this Android launcher for Windows and Mac. With the latest update, this launcher is lightweight, smooth, and works really well for running Delta Executor on PC. I personally tested the newest version, and the performance feels much better compared to older emulators or heavier setups. You can check the link in the description or pinned comment to install the latest updated version of this Android launcher. Just choose the correct version for your device Windows version if you use Windows or Mac version. Once installation is finished, launch the Android launcher and let everything fully load so we can continue to the next step. Next, click the Start button inside the launcher and you'll see Android running directly on your computer. Once everything has fully loaded, take the official Delta Executor file you downloaded earlier, then simply drag and drop it into the Android launcher window. The launcher will automatically detect the file and begin installing Delta for you. Just wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once Delta Executor is installed, open it from the Android home screen or app menu. Now Delta should launch normally on your PC. Then, open Delta Executor and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, simply create a new account and complete the quick registration process. Once logged in, join your preferred server and wait for everything to load properly. After that, you have successfully installed Delta Executor on PC using the newest 2026 method. Now you're ready to use scripts, receive your key if required, and start using Delta directly from your Windows or Mac computer. Everything should run smoothly inside the launcher, giving you a clean desktop experience with better controls and performance. And that's it now. You know how to install Delta Executor on PC with the latest official 2026 update for Windows and Mac. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Delta updates and new working methods. Also, comment below if you want more PC Executor tutorials, key fixes, or troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.